Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which equipment to buy for setting up a food truck business and, more importantly, how to upgrade your setup when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a food truck. When starting a food truck, you'll need a well-equipped truck. It should be able to handle all kinds of food preparation tasks effectively. This truck costs around 4 lakhs rupees. Let's start with the essential equipment you'll need for a versatile menu. For cooking, you'll need 3 cauderies to fry and prepare various dishes, costing about 3000 rupees in total. You'll also need a mixer grinder to mix ingredients for doses, idols, and other batters, which costs around 8000 rupees. To keep your food fresh, 2 fridges are essential, which will cost you 42,000 rupees. An inverter is important too, to make sure you have a continuous power supply. It will cost around 25,000 rupees. You'll also need seating for your customers, so invest in 10 chairs and 4 tables, which will cost about 9,000 rupees altogether. For serving hot beverages like tea, you'll need 2 tea flasks, costing a total of 5,000 rupees. To handle and serve food, buy various steel items costing around 5,000 rupees. Don't forget about hydration for your customers. Include 4 water cans for easy access to drinking water, costing 1000 rupees in total. Finally, you'll need 3 gas cylinders for cooking, which will cost about 10,500 rupees. Adding it all up, you will require a total of around 5 lakhs to 5 lakhs 10,000 rupees to purchase all the necessary equipment for your food truck. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.